Hi guys, compliments of the season. So today I want to unbox my Christmas gifts. Like Christmas actually arrived earlier than expected, and this is my Christmas package. So I want you guys to unbox it with me. So let's see the contents of the bag. So we have Airtel Wi-Fi. Airtel Wi-Fi. I think I need to step up my internet life. Maybe that was why Airtel Wi-Fi was the first thing in the bag. And after the Airtel Wi-Fi, let's see what else we have in the bag. Then we have what next? Okay, we have this package. Let's see what we have in the box. Okay, we have a silver wristwatch. That's the second package. That's the second gift item for the Christmas season. Oh my goodness. And the watch is so fine, like very beautiful and sleek. I love it so much. I love it. So this is me unraveling the wristwatch to actually size it to know what and how it looks like on my wrist. And it will I said it in no grey open. No. God. So like anyhow, Sha, the watch actually looked very nice. Like I've been craving for a silver color wristwatch, and finally, the watch have entered my wrist. And guys, check it out. This is so lovely. Like the watch fine die Okay, so the next thing we have is ta-da! We have an Apple product, iPhone to be precise. Oh my god. In fact, it's like they really wanted me to step up my game. Like they want me to step up, like seriously. I should seriously join the iPhone gang. Like iPhone gang. Oh my goodness. I love my purple iPhone. Like it's really beautiful. I love it so much. Oh my god, this is my cord for charging the phone. And then guys, look at me, like look at the phone. I'm so happy. Like I was not even expecting this kind of gifts, now. Like god, I wasn't even expecting it, and it came just like that. I am so happy. So guys, I think this is all we have in this box right now. So the next item we have in there is the charger head, the iPhone charger head. Like this gift came as a huge surprise to me, and I really am very grateful to God for giving me this gift. And this is the receipt, guys. Like it's a brand new something, brand new something. And who said because it's Jesus' birthday you cannot receive gifts? You see it. Finally, I have received my own package, and that is all for now, guys. I am super excited. Thank you guys for hanging in there. I love you guys so much, and just stay tuned because I hope and believe that more is coming. Thank you guys so much. Happy Christmas and a prosperous new year to you all. Bye. Mwah.